Hey guys, for your second DeltaMath assignment, the one that is called Geometry Number 2, Transformations Geometrically, I'm just going to take a look at a couple of the sections using my computer so you can see what I'm talking about. The first section you have to translate graphically. I think you could probably figure this one out on your own. You're going to go 1 unit right and 2 units up. So you would physically take each point and move it 1 unit right and 2 units up, and then 1 unit right, 2 units up, and it'll automatically connect them. Okay, so that one, is pretty straightforward. And these reflecting over horizontal, the first one is reflecting over a line, level 1. These are all going to be vertical or horizontal lines. So if you want to do that, this right here is a vertical line. What you're going to do is take each point and count the distance to the line. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 to reflect that point. I'm going to do the same thing over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. I also got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then finally, there's that last point, and then I can submit that answer. Okay, but that's what it's going to look like when you flip it over. If it was a horizontal line, you would just be counting the vertical distance. Okay, so if you have a horizontal line of reflection, you're going to count the vertical distance. So here you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you're going to do that for each of them. Okay? That reflection is pretty easy. It gets a little more difficult when you have to reflect something over a diagonal line. And so if you look here, we're reflecting it over the line y equals x minus 3. And there's two ways that you could look at this. One way is to look at the slope of this, which if we count our rise over run, you can see that it's up 1, right 1. Or you can look at our y equals mx plus b form and see that the slope is 1. So what that means is in order to reflect it, we're going to slide those points on a perpendicular line. Remember, perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. So because this slope is up 1, right 1, from here, I want to have the slope of negative 1, so up 1, left 1. And it took one of those slopes to get to the line, so I'm going to go one more slope this way. So here, I'm going to go up 1, right 1, up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1, and I totally didn't count that. So 1, 2, 3, 4 slopes to get there, so I'm going to keep going 1, 2, 3, 4. Here I'm going to go 1, 2, 3 and a half. So there's my half. 1, 2, 3. And then that's what that's going to look like when you submit it over that line. That is one way to look at it. Okay, and look, it even flips it for you. That looks pretty cool. Another way you could do that when you have a diagonal line is just count either the horizontal or vertical distance. It doesn't matter to the line. So like here, I could count a horizontal distance of 1, 2, 3, which is going to correspond over here to a vertical distance of 1, 2, 3. And that will reflect it too. So here I could go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then that will also give you the same reflection. Okay, so it's two different ways that you could reflect over a diagonal line or a non-vertical horizontal line. And I do want to point out, like, hey, it says here, watch help video. You can always do that. And then this guy, Mr. Korzik, he's the guy who made this website, will talk you through how to do that. Okay? The next sections are pretty easy. They have these directions here that tell you exactly what to do, but I know when we've done this in class, some of you guys don't read those directions. So I highly suggest you read those directions. The biggest thing you need to know here, or remember, is that perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes because it's going to ask you to create a perpendicular line. So if the slope of one line is 2/3, the perpendicular line will be -3/2. And that's going to be true for both of these guided sections. It's going to tell you exactly what to do here, but you just need to make sure you know the slopes of perpendicular lines. And then on this last one, you just have to figure out which of these would it be. That's just a matter of trying to visualize the transformation. But I think that you guys can do a pretty good job of that on your own. So I just wanted to take a couple minutes and make sure you knew how to do all the things on the DeltaMath. If you have any questions, obviously you can let me know and I will be happy to help you out. All right, thanks.